In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your email reputation and sender score. As an email marketer, you want to make sure that your promotions, newsletters are received by recipients directly in their inbox and not in their spam folders. By keeping an eye on some metrics, emails opened, unopened, clicked, this will give you a glance of how your emails are received by your subscribers. Go to the website mailtester.com. You may see that in this page that the purpose of this site is to test the spamminess of your emails. Let's follow this direction. First, we need to send an email to this email address. Copy this email address and log into your email account. This should be the email address that you want to test and check if the emails sent are being marked as spam. Let's try to compose a mail. Enter the details, then click Send. You must wait for about 2 minutes before we proceed to the Mail Tester website to check this email address's score. Once 2 minutes is up, we can now click this Check Your Score button. The result will be generated and you will be able to see your score here. When we scroll down, we can use these links to see more details. Let's check this link. This allows us to view the email body that we sent in HTML version. There's an option to check how it is viewed in a mobile phone, tablet, and a desktop computer. If we send an email with images, we may view our email body using this link without showing images. This link shows us a text version of our email composition, and lastly, the source. Spam Assassin is a useful program running on email servers that is used for email spam filtering. It first filters your email before it is sent to your recipient. It returns feedback on your DKIM and SPF signatures. Sender Policy Framework, or SPF, is an email authentication technique used to prevent spammers from sending unauthorized emails using your domain, known as email spoofing. Domain Keys Identified Mail, or DKIM, includes an encrypted signature in your email, which email servers will decrypt and verify that the message is valid and authentic. It also gives you feedback regarding your email provider. This link shows if the server you are sending from is authenticated. It also shows your server IP address if authorized to use this email address. This link shows a feedback on ways your email body message can be improved. It checks whether your email is well formatted or not. It displays the weight of the HTML message in bytes and the percentage of the text your message contains. Since I did not include a photo in my test mail, this checker prefers emails without images. But if you're going to attach an image, the HTML code image alt attribute will specify an alternate text for that image if the image cannot be displayed for instances such as a slow internet connection. Lastly, if you're sending email marketing campaigns, which will have a massive list of email recipients, you may need to include the list's unsubscribe header. The recommended feedback will be shown here. Blacklist check. Mail Tester checks from the 26 most common databases of blacklists who collects the blacklisted IP addresses. If it mentions you in one of these lists, click on that link to check for instructions that you need to follow in order to verify your email and domain. Broken link check. If your email body will contain links, make sure that these are not invalid or dead hyperlinks, which means the links that direct you to a page does not exist. Fixing these broken links will avoid damage to your online business, email marketing campaign, as well as your brand's reputation. Another tool you may use to check your reputation is Senderscore. You may search it on Google and click their website's link here. We will be asked to input our IP address or domain we want to check. As we click this button, it will generate a number from 0 to 100 of what our sender score is. We may review some metrics such as the host name, volume sender, is it return path certified, and return path safe or not. As you scroll down, you may even view more reputation measures for blacklists, complaints, message filtered, sender rejected, and spam traps. Senderscore may give us a detail of full report when we do have an account registered in their site. As you register for the first time, these are the details you need to provide them. Another site you may use to check your reputation is Reputationauthority. Let's search it on Google. Their homepage will ask us to enter an IP address or domain. Let's do enter an IP address we used in sending our mail. The result will show the IP address here on the upper left corner of the results page. Overall reputation is shown as a bar indicating if it's good, neutral, or bad, and a preview of a Google map of the ISP location. As we scroll down, we can get more detailed results, such as the overall reputation authority data, indicating the reputation score from 0 to 100, the host name, location, and the ISP. Under email, we may get a percentage results of the cleanliness of the mail, if it has some virus, spam indications, malformed messages, suspicious, and the good and bad recipients. It is easier to maintain a good sender score than to cure it, since it will cost you time and money coordinating with your ISP. To maintain a good email reputation and sender score, remember to include a link in the email body where the recipient is allowed to unsubscribe from you. Include images in your content with a size best around 480 pixels or smaller. Test your emails before you send them. Use an email address which includes your personal name or brand. Example, first name last name at domainname.com. And choose a reputable email service providers since they gain good or bad reputation based on the feedbacks of their clients. Thank you for watching.